Hello everyone. I am Matipong Gonmai, social worker, Nonne District, Manipur. Ahan bada masi video message pitopagi matangda telam na khara thamjage. Haibadi hauzik sathareba Lok Sabha election gi matangda sangstan kaya concerned citizens kaya nasu free and fair election to view haibiga appeal kaya am thokre. Adubu ngarang kogi first phase of election da thokiba incident mayam se ubada video clip kayam se ure ahal lamal ima ibel aduga atopa ordinary citizen singbu fubiba nomai kapiba I takiba kayam ubuda aisu tuminna laiba ngamdabadagi aingonda peace laitabadagi isagi wakhal khara phongdokke aduga suggestion aduga atopa opinion khara phongdokke haina telap namasi video message se semjabani mayam na khara share tominasi haibsi mayam da appeal tomingi yengo akoigi April 2024 gi sanga express the headlines da thokpa zero sakha yengse shooting vote capturing proxy voting mar first phase of Lok Sabha election haibsi title ni makha tabada sumaini iye dubbed as the worst parliamentary election ever in Manipur. The 18 Lok Sabha polls for inner parliamentary constituency and some segments of the constituency were marred with alleged vote capturing and proxy voting by armed miscreants. Masi kanagumba akoigi sangai laudaba singri pa ba phangsu phangamboi adu pahodaba mioi singi khara pathokpibani masi na haibadi akoigi assembly election aduga parliamentary election se kyam tawsu tawraga lakhre adubu parliamentary election marakta khwaidigi worst oiba khwaidigi violent oiba khwaidigi yamna anti social elements yam thokpa khut thokpa haiba tare criminal activities yam exhibit oiba haiba election amani haibasi masi mayam na su khangbikhre haibadi asigumba thodok se tawdaba phai haina kayam citizens kayam na so appeal tawkhre adubu madu ngakpi darga thokiba silliba aduguma criminal activities tawriba gun power muscle power money power pairaga mayamgi fundamental rights bu suppress tawge haiba mioisingbu in the strongest term ever ahanba oina condemn tawi haibse thamningi ani subada akoigi asigumba criminal activities tawriba asigumba nampu namlakta vote capture tawge haiba mioi singsida public singnasu akoigi duty khara lai haibadi pressmen sing adugumba mioi singse kaure haraga one by one incident specific mayam do puthoraga mayam da expose tawbiba haibse akoigi duty ama lebra haina khalli ahum subada akoigi karigumba asigumba activities tawba mioi singse public ki mayam ge mandate laite haibudu expose tawbani haibda la loi haina lawi maramdi public ke mandate to leramagadi mayam ge ayabudu leramagadi kaidawbage si nampu namlak tawga gun pairaga muscle power pairaga mi bu furaga hotlaga karigi vote lawgini haibsi wakal thokira aingonda o kanagumba candidate ta nataga kanagumba party na ai public mandate laitre hana kijabadagi adugumba thodo adugumba action se pangthokpani haibda la loi hana lawi maram moiduna akoigi public singna tawba yaba kari lairage haibasi aina suggest tawningbadi adugumba candidate singdu public na social boycott political boycott tawba haibasi khwaidagi phaba measure ama ogini haina lawi at the same time akoigi election commission of India law enforcing agencies mayam dasu honestly appeal tawningi haibadi adugumba rampantly law misuse tawraga democratic rights of the people singbu suppress tawraga laiba singbu action hojik phau lokhataba haibse yamna lebak thingai ojabni maram moiduna masida government or election commission ki thodang so duty su lai aduga public ki duty su lai masai haido gumna public singna so adugumba nupa adugumba candidate singdo irrespective of parties akoidi ama gi BJP Congress ki MPF ki ama candidate independent ki support tawbagi moi ki partiality lairga tawbusu ngangbusu nate irrespective of party adugumba phattaba thabak tawba mioi singdo public singna karigumba condemn tawba khak natana mathang da chu adugumba mioi singdo public tagi social boycott political boycott tawbasi tafam thokpra haina khali aduna at the same time election commission nasu aduga government nasu yana strengthen oibagi law pass tawre haraga adugumba anti social elements sing criminal intent laiba mioi singdo karigumba mathangi at least 2 terms gumba se election contest tawba bar tawbiba haibasi nasu yamna akan by deterrent ama oinin hadi lawi in this regard akoi social activists sing kharaga aduga yamna law expert ukil supreme court advocate adugumba mioi sing khara consult tawre haraga supreme court ta PIL thajalaga karigumba masigumba criminal activities tawba mioi sing se aduga election rigging tawba election asigumba nampu namlak tawba mioi sing candidate sing se election bar tawningai at least for 2 terms gumba se haibagi discussion chu sathari adugumbagi thabak se thabak oina pangthokani haibagi discussion chu sathari so therefore mathangda akoi second phase of election su laitaba nate akoi second phase of election si ingna tapna free and fair ona election si conduct tabiu haibse appeal tawni natrabadi adugumba karigumba law do la agadi mathangda akoi awaba chu taba yai haibsi khra thamningi maram oduna public as well as candidate sing party me yamna responsible oina election si conduct tawse maram di democracy ki heart se karino haibsi akoi gi election haibsi ni election sida akoi gi mihut ogdawa akoi gi representative ogdawa akoi gi leader ogdawa se pachana candidate to gi credentials candidate to gi integrity gi matungina pachana khanbi daba taraga nampu namlakta gun power da muscle power da khanbiraga di susoi soi na sama society se afaba oiroi haibisi dumain thamningi aduna akoi state or as a whole akoi leba country se saukhat se hairabdi akoi gi mikhal matamda citizen mayam chu yamna sichinna yamna munna khalle harga masigi nupa se akoi achi nupi se akoi gi representative oiba eligible oi haibse pajana khanbi tardi akoi kamaina akoi society se progress aduga development santi justice laigira aduna akoi gi citizen mayam to responsible yamna lagi responsibility yam laitaba nate aduna sigumba democratic exercise sahi manga ge akoi gi mihut oido mioi khanba matam se yamna munna sechinna khanba haibasi dakawi akoi gi state ki oina o natraga akoi gi region notice as a whole oina su akoi gi adugumba saukhatpa santi development justice laise hardi election matam se sechinna akoi khanbasi daka oi haibasi khra thamjaningi